Cities in the developing world are at the front lines of a growing air pollution crisis.
तकलीफ हो रही है, कई सारी बीमारियां उसके चलते उनको होती है, जैसे लंग्स में तकलीफ हो रही है, आंखों में से पानी निकलता है.
Air pollutants shorten lives and can fuel climate change.
जो ये धूल मिट्टी उड़ रही है और जाम लग जाता है, जाम की स्थिति बन जाती है, तो इससे हमारे मार्केट पे बहुत फर्क पड़ रहा है.
Yet, in any given city, where that dirt and dust pollution is coming from can be difficult to determine. Pinpointing sources of air pollution is critical for developing and sustaining the right policies and actions. So, is helping citizens to become more aware of what is causing the pollution.
Di mana dominansi sumber pencemar udara di DKI Jakarta ini oleh transportasi. Harapan kami dari pemerintah Provinsi DKI Jakarta kepada masyarakat untuk juga turut berpartisipasi menjaga kualitas udara yang ada di DKI Jakarta.
Clean Air Catalyst, a new program launched by the US Agency for International Development, is working with partners in Jakarta, Indonesia, and Indore, India to pilot ways to improve understanding of air pollution sources and mobilize the public, private, and community actions needed to phase out harmful emissions.
हम खासकर घरों में बैठ के काम करने वाली महिलाएं, निर्माण श्रमिक, फेरी टोकरी वाले, सबसे बड़ी बात है कि एक तो उनकी समझ नहीं है कि इस तरह का हवा में जो
Vulnerable communities often experience the heaviest burden from pollution. Clean Air Catalyst will focus on advancing equitable and effective solutions in the most polluting sectors such as waste management, transportation, power generation, and industry.
We have installed multiple air pollution meters at various locations that give real-time input to the citizens. And I'm happy to report a lot of feedback that has been coming in from citizens has been very encouraging towards our efforts.
Everyone wants and deserves clean air to thrive. Clean Air Catalyst will apply lessons from pilot cities to work with partners in Africa and around the world.
People realize that these are solutions that are improving our lives, and it becomes easier to replicate such solutions on a larger scale. And then that may be the catalyst for action.